Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a meeting in Microsoft Teams. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So now to start, open your Microsoft Teams app. And then you can see at the left corner of your screen, the calendar. Just tap on that. Now you can see right here the calendar. Tap on any date or time that you want to create your meeting. For example, this one. And then after that, select the name of your meeting. And then after choosing the name, you have to choose your participants or the people that you want to attend your meeting. You also want to add a description on what is your meeting is all about. And then after that, just click on Save. Lastly, you want to copy the link of your meeting so that you can easily share this to email or messenger or to the participant that you want to attend your meeting. That's it. It's just simple and easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.